In an important update, the Supreme Court refused to examine the legality of the directives issued by Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, requiring eateries along the Kanwad Yatra route to display QR codes revealing owner identities. A bench of Justice M. Sundaresh and Justice N.K. Singh disposed of the interlocutory applications filed challenging the mandate issued by the authorities. The bench also clarified that the sellers must display their licenses and registration certificates as required by the law. The petition filed by Professor Apurva Nand, Akar Patel, TMC MP Mahua Moitra and others argued that the QR code directive is a method of religious profiling and violates the Supreme Court's last year interim order that vendors can't be forced to disclose their identities. Senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi called the directive unconstitutional and divisive, arguing that it promotes religious discrimination. Justice Sundaresh acknowledged that food preferences during pilgrimage are sensitive and consumers have the right to know whether an eatery serves only vegetarian food. However, he declined to rule on the requirement to display QR codes or owner names, suggesting the matter could be challenged in the High Court. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for Uttar Pradesh, defended the directive as being in line with FSSAI regulations, asserting that there were some dhabas which used to sell meat items, misrepresenting that they were selling only vegetarian foods, which led to offending many devotees' sentiments. Senior advocate Huzaifa Ahmadi countered that such disclosures of ownership serve only to expose religious identity and are unnecessary. The court, however, disposed of the application, stating that it won't rule on the matter now and advised petitioners to approach the High Court if they wish to challenge the directive further. To know about this case in detail, please visit on our website and please leave your thoughts on this case below in the comment section. And for more such legal updates, stay tuned to Live Law.